So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the final part of the Bellatrix costume, which will be her wand, little bird head necklace, and then I'll show you how I styled the wig to get it like this, which, fun fact, if you put a hat on this, you could look just like Slash from Guns N' Roses, so it forms double duty. Welcome to the jungle. So Bellatrix's wand is really easy to make. It consists of 2 sticks of differing thicknesses, and then you just want to glue the 2 sticks together at an angle. The bigger one will of course be the handle. And then just leave that to dry. And so for the hair, I got a long curly black wig. I couldn't find a brown one, so I just got a black one. And it was way too wide and flat. So to fix that, I put my hair in 2 braids and put the braids up over my head and bobby pinned them in place, which gave my head a little more height. And to give myself even more height, I took a sock and bobby pinned that to the braids on the top of my head. This is where the braids come in handy because there's something to bobby pin the sock to. So then when I put the wig on over that, it gives me a lot more height. So it's still a little too wide, but I have the height now. And so then I just took a bobby pin and I sectioned off one piece of hair in the front, and then the other one I took it from the side because I wanted to leave a little bit of hair in front of my face on that side to go over my eye, kind of the way Bellatrix is always in her face. And so I took that chunk of hair, and then I took the one on the other side and wound them around the back of my head, and then that little barrette that I had there, I just used that to clip the 2 of them in place on the back of the wig. So that gives me the height and more of the appropriate width for Bellatrix hair. And then from the side, on the back, it gives you that kind of raised look that she had. So for her necklace, I just took some oven-baked clay. You have to warm it up in your hands to get it warm, and then kind of make the shape of the bird skull. And then you want to take something, I'm using a plastic needle here, and drive it all the way through the skull so that you have a hole to put the string through to make it a necklace when it's done. So then just draw the nostrils, and then use a pencil eraser to draw the eye sockets, or to make the eye sockets, the shape of them. And then you'll just want to bake that in the oven according to whatever the package says, however many minutes. And once that is cooled, give it a coating of solid black paint, the entire thing. And then once that's dry, go over it with some metallic silver paint. You want this to be a really thin coat, so go over the brush strokes several times so that the black shows through, because you want some of the black to show through. So then take a little piece of yarn on a needle and run it through that hole, and then the ends will just tie off around your neck to make it the necklace. Only bad witches are ugly. Witch, please. I'm fabulous. Abracadabra!